I'm at a project. We're about to have the open house tomorrow. We're finalizing some little last minute touches before the open house tomorrow. So I was just gonna do a walkthrough for you guys. This was a full renovation. You might mention, I remember some of the videos where we actually had a creepy phone call from an old landline while we were in the project in the basement. I see dead people. Someone else is here.
Stop.
Hello? 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 Come with us. We're Two Guys Take on Real Estate. This is one of our flipped houses, not our rentals. But we've made a lot of mistakes on all types of properties, and we try to teach you from our mistakes so you don't make the same one. So let's go check it out. So it looks like they're doing some siding repairs. All right. Oh, closing it all up. What's up? Getting all that's done. So yeah, they had to properly close off the window. I'm gonna also notice that they got to get cut back some of the spray foam from around that window there. So here we go into the kitchen. That is where the creepy phone was. So you can see we have nice cabinets, a little mudding around the wall here. We do stage our properties. So there's some beautiful staging. Thank you, Alice. We put all new windows in, sheetrocked everything. LVP floor throughout. We did a white subway tile, which came out really nice. All new electrical. Here we got new vanity, brand new tub, tiled all around it. All little black fixtures. All right. Ooh, it's hot in there. So you got bedroom 1 here. So nothing special here. Little closet, living room. See, we staged it and put a brand new handrail. They're gonna paint that white, fix up this. We covered all this new stair treads. So up here is where we did a lot of the work. So we dormered off the whole back. So before, the roof line came right down there. As you can see, we dormered the whole thing off. We had installed brand new windows, unique code, because they need to be a fire exit, and this was just a little too small. The building inspector wanted us to do a brand new window that met the code, obviously, because these things are pretty tiny. So we had that in the back. So that's almost done. That's why they're doing all the siding back there. And same thing over here. Closet up here, but much more spacious bedrooms up here. I love it. You know, all these lights. And we got another full bathroom here. So there was no bathroom up here, so we added this whole full bathroom. Oh wow. And that's very loud. Yeah, this one we just did a 3-piece clockless tub. I mean, once again, this is upstairs bathroom. And go back downstairs. Found all these lights and also these kind of lights, which they're different or whatever. You can move them around or whatever. These were all on Amazon for great price. I don't know, what do you guys think about these lights? That's another Amazon light right there. So here, got this down here. So just dry lock the walls, gray floors. Let's go ahead and go in the trash. We put a new door back there. All new plumbing, new laundry hookup. Brand new hot water tank, new central air with AC outside, brand new. We also had to put all new arc fault breaker panel, 200 amp. And on top of that, the new outside, the new socket meter also is ready for EV. So someone could actually literally hook up an EV charger right to it. It wasn't planned for that, to be honest. The EV charger was something, it was a couple $100 more, and we could get it quicker than the other one, so we bought it. But as you can see, our electrician, all new wiring. We got rid of, basically it was a full gut. So all new wiring, and yeah, we're getting really close here. But yeah, I don't know, what do you think? So we're gonna be putting this on the market for $329,000. We bought this for about $70,000. We put a little over $100,000 in renovations, actually $120,000 to be exact, plus we had some holding costs and stuff like that. All in all, I'd say this turned out pretty well. Took longer than it should have. There was multiple issues other than the fact that we had the contractor that we were working on this one. We had him bounce around multiple things. Then there was issues with the building department where it wasn't their fault. The contractor closed up the ceiling before he could inspect all of the hangers and everything like that up in the for the new dormer. So he wanted pictures. We didn't have pictures, or the contractor didn't have pictures, so we had to open up stuff, verify everything. Also, the architect took a little bit longer. So there's only thing I'd say we could have done a little bit better is if we had focused on keeping the contractor only on this project instead we gave him multiple projects, thought he could handle it. He had to lay off some guys, and we kind of now we're here. But it is what it is. It's done. We're actually hitting spring market, so I'm really excited. My guess is, and I'd like to know comments below, I think we're going to have multiple offers possibly early next week. I think it's going to have a really good open house. We've already have over 100 saves on Zillow, and it's only been up a couple days. A lot of views. So fingers crossed we have a little bidding war. If not, I'd be happy with asking anyway. So we'll see. This video is not coming till after, out till after we hopefully have it under agreement, so that I don't get someone only doing asking price because they heard me here, but whatever, we'll see. So I love your feedback, and hope to see you guys on the next video. Thanks so much.